Again, a little attrition is kicking in here. Day number 2 of the North Thompson Fall Fair and Rodeo. We had 8 in our first heat out there. This time we're going to be down to just 6. Here in about 5-1s. Again, thanks to our sponsors, Spark Industries, Thompson Equipment, Inside Tire Auto will line them up for you out in front. It's going to be the number 118, Evan Woodward. Okay, here we go. At the tail end of that, and there he is for another victory lap, the 333 again. The number 13 goes up to number 2, and number just leading them out. How about that, bro? Girl power out there. Let's give a round of applause. What do you think, ladies?